In this video, we'll demonstrate how to enhance the security of Face ID on iPhone 15. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. The steps to improve the security of your iPhone needs to use the Require Attention for Face ID feature. This feature ensures that Face ID will only work when you, the rightful owner, are actively looking at the device. By enabling this option, you can prevent unauthorized access to your iPhone even when you're sleeping or not paying attention. Start by unlocking your iPhone and navigating to the Settings app. You can usually find it on your home screen. Tap to open it. In the Settings menu, locate and select Face ID and Passcode. You will be prompted to enter your device passcode to access the Face ID settings. Scroll down the Face ID and a Passcode menu until you find the Require Attention for Face ID option. This setting ensures that Face ID will only work when your eyes are open and you're actively looking at the device. Toggle it on by moving the switch to the right. Enabling this feature enhances your iPhone's security by adding an extra layer of protection. It means that even if someone attempts to use your Face ID while you are asleep or not actively engaging with the device, it will not grant access. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this. And subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.